Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel! In this video guys, ay babiyahin na kami pabalik ng Pampanga. Pero, baon namin ang saya at alaala na aming naranasan nung buong bakasyon namin. Sulit yung buong linggo o more than a week na bakasyon namin guys dahil puro family bonding at wala kaming sinayang na araw at oras para makasama namin ang aming buong pamilya. Kaya sa pag-uwi namin ngayon guys, muli nyo naman po kaming samahan sa buong araw ng aming paglalakbay pauwi ng Pampanga. Good morning guys! It's 2 AM in the morning. Maaga kami nagising ngayon kasi pabiyahe kami mula dito sa Tabango papuntang Tacloban ng more than 2 hours. Kailangan kasi namin habulin yung 6 AM flight namin from Tacloban to Manila para hindi kami nagmamadali at gahol sa oras pagdating namin ng airport.
Babay na Tito Chef. Nagbabay na ka? Ito na ito. Bye-bye. Sige, ayaw mo na yung kan.
pipila na kami para sa boarding. Hello guys, dito na kami sa airport. Start kami bumiyahe kanina 2 a.m. galing sa bahay papuntang Tacloban Airport. Tapos na yung bakasyon namin na 9 days. So it's back to reality again.
The Heart of the Filipino welcomes you on board PR2982 bound for Manila. Our pilot in command is Captain Magbanwa and this is your senior cabin crew Jenna. Our estimated flying time is 1 hour. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle, pull free and to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your... On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vests over your head, take tape around your waist, push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the 2 inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tube. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life side. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water.
We are here, Nabi. We are here in huh?
You're all that I wanted, but this couldn't last. I wish that it would. And now I feel haunted by the ghost of our past. I wish we were good. I'm lost in emotion, consumed by your love, and I can't escape. My heart is an ocean, but it's not big enough to fix these mistakes. Take me far away from where we both started.
Hello guys! Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Terminal 2 na Iya. Naghihintay kami ngayon ng aming sundo. Bibiyahe pa po kami galing dito sa Terminal 2 papuntang San Fernando, Pampanga. It takes 2 hours, I think, almost 2 hours na biyahe. Kaya pagod yarn. 2 a.m. pa lang kami gising na guys. At ngayon ang oras ay 9:20. Yun. Imagine mo, hindi ako nakatulog sa aeroplano kasi uminom ako ng kape. Mas lalo akong hindi inantok. Ayan na yung sundo namin guys. So mag-aabang na kami dito sa Bay 19.
consumed by your love, and I can't escape. My heart is an ocean, but it's not big enough to fix these mistakes. Take me far away from where we both started. I need to go back where we last started, somewhere we can put our past behind us. Anywhere we can go. I'm lost in emotion, consumed by your love, and I can't escape. My heart is an ocean, but it's not big enough to fix these mistakes.
2 a.m. pa kami umalis, mami. 1:20 pa lang ako gising.
I need to go back where we last started, somewhere we can put our past behind us. Anywhere we can go, anywhere.
Hello guys! Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kararating lang namin. Time check, it's 11:30 na umaga. Pagliligpit na ako. Maglilinis, mahanda ng pagkain. Makapagpahinga na rin. Hanggang sa susunod namin mga travel guys. Bye!